Let me show you 3 fast and reliable ways to remove background noise in Premiere Pro without using any plugins. We will only use the built-in audio controls inside Premiere, and each method gives a different result depending on what your audio needs. Follow along, and you'll hear a huge difference in just a few minutes. Method 1. Using the Essential Sound panel. Start by selecting your audio clip on the timeline. Then open the Essential Sound panel. If it's not visible, enable it from the Window menu. Once it's open, assign the audio as dialogue and choose the default option. This immediately unlocks all the cleaning options inside the panel. Now go to the Repair section and turn on Reduce Noise. Slowly increase the slider while listening to your audio. Keep pushing it until you hear the background hiss fade out, but stop before your voice starts sounding robotic. Then enable Reduce Rumble and also raise it slightly. This is perfect if your clip has low-frequency sounds like distant traffic, mic bumps, or subtle vibrations. After that, scroll down and enable clarity. Increase the dynamics a little to bring life back to the voice. If your audio still feels dull after removing noise, gently increase the EQ, which boosts the higher frequencies. You'll notice your audio sounds noticeably cleaner, clearer, and more present. The best part is that everything is happening inside the same panel, making this one of the fastest and most beginner-friendly ways to remove noise. Method 2. Using the Audio Track Mixer. This method is useful when you have many audio clips and want to apply noise reduction to all of them at once. Start by opening the Audio Track Mixer from the Window menu. Make sure the mixer is displaying the track where your voice clips are located. At the top of the mixer, click the tiny arrow to reveal the effects panel. From here, open any panel just like this and hover over to Noise Reduction and apply the built-in denoise effect to the entire track. Then you will see this little controller here increase or reduce the effect while listening to your audio until you are satisfied. Because the effect is applied to the whole track, every clip placed on that track will be cleaned automatically, which saves you a lot of time for long videos. You can also do the same for other audio timelines. At last, I will recommend add the built-in de-reverb effect if your audio has echo. When both effects are combined correctly, your entire audio track becomes balanced and quiet without you having to adjust every single clip one by one. Method 3. Using the effects. This method is probably most popular and used all around. Just go to the effects panel, extend the audio effects, then noise reduction. Here, first drag and drop the denoise effect, and then drag and drop the de-reverb effect if your voice has echo. Now switch to effect controls, and beside custom setup, click the edit button. A new window will open. From these presets you can choose low or high noise reduction according to your audio, or just play your audio, and reduce or increase the voice using this slider until the background noise completely disappears, and confirm. Now we are going to do the same for de-reverb. Click on Edit, play the audio, and adjust your voice, and then confirm. It is easiest and quickest method to clear your audio from unwanted background noise. Now here is a bonus trick using the Dynamics effect. Select your audio clip and search for Dynamics in the Effects panel. Drag it onto your clip, then open it in the Effect controls. Click on this edit beside Custom Setup. Now, enable the Auto Gate inside the Dynamics window. This tool works by lowering the background noise during the moments when you're not speaking, so silence becomes clean and quiet. Start by lowering the threshold until the background noise disappears whenever your voice stops. If the noise is still slipping through, bring the threshold a little higher until the silent parts of your clip sound smooth and empty. Then adjust the attack slightly so the voice comes in naturally when you start talking. If the beginning of words sounds cut off, reduce the attack to make it faster. After that, increase the release so the gate closes smoothly instead of shutting instantly. This keeps your voice sounding natural, while still removing the noise when you pause. You can also turn on the compressor inside the same panel if your voice has big, loud, and soft differences. But keep it gentle so everything remains clean and balanced. This method is perfect when your noise isn't constant, like street noise that appears only sometimes, fan noise between talking, room buzz during silent gaps, or any recording where the quiet parts sound messy. The Dynamics Gate cleans those gaps instantly without changing the tone of your voice. These built-in methods let you clean background noise quickly without using a single plugin. Each one works best for different situations, so try them on your audio and see which method gives you the cleanest results. With just a few adjustments, even noisy recordings can sound crisp and professional. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos.